So ladies, you want to get flued out for the summer? Well, you come to the right place.
Oh yeah. They gotta be open.
So the correct term is getting flown out. But since the city girls have coined the term flued out, it's catchy. So that's what we're gonna go with right now. What getting flued out means is that any guy, whether you're in a relationship with them or dating, he is covering all of your travel expenses to come see him. What that looks like is having your flight paid for, your hotel, anything that you like, expenses you incur to have to leave, like money for a babysitter, money for your dog sitting fees, all that's being taken care of from the person that wants to see you. I created an ebook detailing so much juicy information. If you're a woman that likes to get flued out or wants to know how you can get flued out, whether that's flued out to see your man or a man, or flued out for like a man paying for your vacations, my ebook is tailored to that. Not only do I show you how to tailor your dating profile to come off and exude that energy of a woman that likes to fly you. If you want to see me, you gotta fly me out. But where you can find these men in my favorite free and paid apps that I used to use to do background checks on people.
Because baby, you shouldn't be flying to see nobody. Number one, if you don't like them, if you're not attracted to them, and if you don't know any type of criminal history about them.
The first thing you need to do is, no matter where you go, especially when you're traveling, you need to be dressed to the T. 90% of the time, if you bump into me at the airport, I'm looking like this. Dressed up in a really nice dress. My hair is done. My makeup is done. Even if I have a 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. flight, mama's makeup is done. I will come to the airport dressed in heels. Immediately, I get approached by so many men, whether these are bankers, finance bros, pilots, and I always get special treatment. Men are a lot nicer when you are all dressed up and looking exceptionally feminine. When I'm dressed up, I get to skip the line, I get special privileges, people pay for my drinks, pay for my food. The second thing you need to do is revamp your dating profile. Anytime you're using the word high value, this gives off tacky. And in my ebook, I talk about exactly what you need to put and how your dating profile is supposed to look. You need to exude a woman who's used to a man flying her all over the world and will not settle for, oh, just pay for the flight, I'll pay you back. No, we're not doing that. Also, men that are not local should exude the type of energy where you just know that this man can afford to fly you out to see him. Next, it is safety above all. Safety comes first before anything else. And in my ebook, I talk so much about women that are traveling. If you don't like this guy, you don't find him even remotely attractive, don't fly out to see him. Number one, that's a waste of time. Set clear expectations. Ladies, you never go with the mindset that you have to sleep with someone. That decision is all about you. But also, don't go be naive thinking that he won't try you. My ebook has always had so much gems, and the feedback I've received from my ebook has been amazing, and I'm so glad that the girlies are loving it. When you see this video, my ebook will still be on sale for a limited time though, for $5. This ebook is for the girlies that are tired of paying for their own vacations. These are for the girlies that are in long distance relationships and you haven't physically met yet. This is for the girlies that want to be on their city girl stuff. Whatever you're trying to do it right, and you cannot do it right unless you get this ebook. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye.